Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go through XRP, okay, and we dive into the weekly chart and see where exactly XRP is heading. But before we go through this analyzing of the weekly chart, we will see two basic points which are very important for the survival in the markets. So understanding of them will make you a better market participant. So let's get through them first, and then I will dive into the charts. Okay, point number one, understanding that the world is unpredictable. It says everything. If you know that at any given time your hard-earned money can be lost, you're already a winner. You're already good to go. Okay. The second point is leverage. Taking leverage for trading is the fastest way to lose everything. Imagine you're in a long position and the market gaps down. You're not only losing your money, and if you're in a leverage, the amount of leverage which you took will ruin you forever. The broker will close your position and will look for you for your money, for their money. Okay, so these are the two important points which you need to consider when investing your hard-earned money. Because novice traders, they just come in the market and see videos, somebody making from 20 to million. I don't know if it is possible or not possible. I think it's time a little bit to use your common sense and just to save your hard-earned money and think, is it really a feasibility, yes or no? Okay, that's their point of view. I have a point of view, you have a point of view, so just do what is good for you. So let's just dive into the weekly chart of XRP. XRP has previously moved quite good. It has gone to $3.40, and then from here was a big rejection. It came to 172 and then pumped up. This was the candle, which is a weekly candle, which was pushed very hard. So these are basically all the sellers here, which you see here. This is quite a big selling. Okay, this is really a big selling. So what you see here is, I have not put on the charts fancy indicators, support, resistance, minor support, major support, your bands and things. So just keep it simple. The line which I have, the line which is going on here is basically simple math. Finance is all about maths. Okay, what I have done is exactly try and see the volume of the adoption of the XRP, and I have taken, to make it simple, minus the selling or profit taking of the individuals or the firms or the institutions trading XRP. This is just to make the formula simple, but I'm using TradingView. Usually I use Coinbase, but TradingView is the base for the Coinbase. So TradingView is the world's best chart, as you all know. Okay, so as I have created this, and the price which is XRP is going to come is right here. $1 is, this is where you're going to get your price, at $1 at some point of weeks. Okay, I'm not saying it's coming tomorrow. I'm not trading 5-minute chart. I'm not trading 15-minute chart. I'm not talking about 1-hour chart, daily chart. We are diving into the weekly charts. So in my perspective, as the chart shows, and the optimism which is going on in the market, where everybody is saying that it will go to 1 million, so this need to really spear to all these sellers here. So that is not what we are talking. We are talking about the charts. We will dive into the chart. This is what the chart shows, that this is the way forward. Okay, by meaning this, all I say is keep the markets simple. You are in charge of the market. This is the best place to be, the financial markets. This is the only place where you find your financial freedom. Why? Because the best thing about the markets is that you don't know who is the buyer and the seller. If you are a buyer, you don't know who is the seller. If you make money, you are happy, you are in charge. If you lose money, you are sad, you are in charge. If you have headaches, you have headaches, you will take headache tablets. If you lose your sleep, you will lose your sleep. Nobody else is in charge. So all I say, you come in the market, you have done the best thing forever. Don't leave the markets. The game is to come today and be in the markets forever. That's the game. All I'm saying is, according to the chart I'm analyzing, is that you will get XRP on a much lower prices. Okay, that's what my analyzing is all about today. And all I would say is thank you for your time. Happy investing and God bless.